Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and demo video for the clear jelly stampers that I just received. So when you go onto their website, you have the option to build your own kit, which is what I did. I did the build your own 4 large stamping plates. I actually did 2 of those, so I got 8 large stamping plates. And then under the accessories, I also got this practice demo tip kit, which is going to be great for when I'm doing nail art design demos for you guys, because currently I'm using the 3M hooks to put these little plastic fake nails on, which I feel like this looks a little more professional. While I'm popping these nails on, I just wanted to chat with you guys for a second. I always want to be super transparent with you guys and give you the good with the bad with any of the videos that I do. So I want to first off start by saying the clear jelly stamper is an amazing product, but any kind of nail stamps that you do use, they're going to take a second to get used to. Between the consistency of the polish, the pressure, and the technique of the stamping, it's all going to take some practice, so please be patient. During this video, I was going to actually delete a lot of these clips because I had only played around with stamps one other time and I was definitely struggling. But instead of deleting them, I decided to use this as a learning opportunity and share what I was doing wrong. The actual stamper that I got is the Big Bling Extra Large Stamper in Clear. They had these in different sizes and different colors, but this one in particular also came with a little swiper card, so that's why I got this one. The polishes that I bought are also part of a build your own kit. You're able to pick 13 colors of your choice. So these are the colors that I got. This is number 16. I believe it's called Shiraz. This one is number 96 called Pretty Bird. This one is number 31, You Had Me at Chocolate. Number 10, Gotta Be Blue. This one is number 11, Dolla Bill. Number 9, Ready for Anything. This one is number 2, Jenny's Gonna Love It, which is just a plain white. Number 8, You Are My Sunshine. This one is number 1 called More Like 1 AM, which is just a plain black. Number 71 called Flirty Flamingo. This one is number 14 called Peachy Keen Jelly Bean. This one is number 22. I want to say it's called Clementine. And the last one is number 13 called Storm Pirate. They also include instructions on how to use your clear jelly stamper, which is great. I still think that this is one of those hands-on things, like you're gonna have to do it yourself multiple times to get the hang of it, but the instructions are definitely helpful. Okay, so this first plate that I'm going to show you is called Underwater Adventures. I just thought that this one was so cute because it came with a bunch of different underwater things. It has fish, mermaids, seashells. It kind of just has a little bit of everything, which I really like. This next one is called The Essentials. I also really liked this one because it has so many different things that you can do with it. It has the bricks, the checkerboard, a lot of different very simple line designs. I'm also sorry about my ring light in the background. I tried filming this without the ring light and the light quality just wasn't there. So I'm going to try to angle these just right for you guys so that way you can get a clear picture on the plates that I did get. This one is called Wicked Halloween. I do know that it's a little bit early for Halloween considering that I'm filming this in June, but last year when I tried getting these around the holiday season, they were all sold out because it is a popular item. Probably also because I waited till the last minute, but I wanted to make sure that I had both the Halloween and this Christmas one. This one is called Into the Frosty Air. I really like it because it has a lot of different snowflake designs on it that I'm not going to have to hand paint on. Roll the Dice is a Vegas style plate. Super cool. I think that we could do a lot of fun things with this one. This next one is called Got Plaid. I think that this is another essential plate that everyone should probably have. It gives you the option to do several different plaid designs, which is actually kind of nice. 4th of July is coming, so I had to get this USA plate. It has a bunch of super cute, popular American designs on it, so I can't wait to play around with this one. The little fireworks and Statue of Liberty, those are so cute. And this last one is called Alphabet Modern. I feel like this is another one of those essential plates. It's just good to have around if you wanted to do any simple word designs on your nails. Okay guys, here we go. Like I mentioned before, I've only played around with stamping plates one other time. I have no idea what I was doing. I was going to delete these clips, but I wanted to leave them in here to tell you guys the things that I learned that I was doing wrong. So please bear with me. So this first thing that I'm doing wrong, I'm putting way too much polish on there. And then I'm scraping like a million times, which is something you also don't want to do. And then the third thing that I'm doing wrong is I'm taking the stamper and I'm pressing directly down onto the image versus rolling my wrist, which is going to affect the way that you pick up your design. And then fourth, I'm dragging my brand new stamper on a towel to wipe it off. These are all things that I did not know what I was doing wrong. I definitely got a little bit frustrated, as you can tell throughout this video. I kept trying and trying. I finally took a break and watched a YouTube video. A big shout out to Sarah's Nail Secrets and Talia's Nail Tales. I had to watch both their YouTube videos to figure out what I was doing wrong, and I'll link their videos down below if that's something that you're interested in watching. You guys, look at how many times I'm having to apply polish and scrape off to even try to get this design. I'm having to apply more polish and then it scratches off the design, and then more polish and then it scratches off the design. Finally, I'm just like, you know what, let's just take this part and put it on there. Doesn't look too bad, but I also tried 6 times. Remember when I said you don't want to stamp directly down onto the image? Look at this image, it's missing a chunk. The reason is because it's picking up and pushing down the image at the same time. It's not fully picking it up. After like 4 tries, I kind of got a little bit of something to go on there. This is just becoming a hot mess. Like, I have polish everywhere. I have no idea what I'm doing. And I mean, it's kind of comical at this point looking back, but definitely not my best work. At this point, I'm super frustrated and I decide to change plates. You guys, it's not the plates, it's definitely me. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm applying polish, scraping off the design, applying more polish, pushing directly down on the design, more polish, and scraping more off, pushing down on the design. I have holes in my design and I'm wiping it on my towel and ruining my jelly stamper. You guys, I have no idea what kind of mess is happening here, but this is real life and I just wanted to share this with you. I am so determined to make this work. I swear I used like half the bottle and it just wasn't working for me. I had to call it quits for the night and watch a couple YouTube videos. So now that we're on day 2 and I actually know what I'm doing, it's like a night and day difference. So you only need a little bit of polish, 1 scrape, and flick your wrist and ta-da, perfect design. I also learned that if you have a lint roller, that is how you're supposed to take off the design. I didn't have a lint roller, so I'm using this nail form, which works just as good. And look at how perfect all of the polish comes off. A little bit goes a long way. It literally works perfect now. I told you guys it was me, not the plates. So now that I know what I'm doing, let's try this again. So these are the things that you need to do correctly to help your design come out right. You need one little dab of polish. Take your swipers, swipe over the whole design and flick your wrist. Don't push down, and your design comes out perfect. And then I'm using the nail form to just take off any extra design that I picked up that I don't want on there. And then you just press down to stamp it on there, and it comes out perfect every time. I want to thank you guys for being so patient with me while I try to figure out how to use these nail stamps. I wasn't going to keep all these clips in there, but I wanted to show people that it is a little bit tricky and it does take some practice. So I really hope that you guys found this video helpful, and maybe the things that I messed up on you can learn from. Then to seal the design in, I'm just using my clear top coat from Not Polish, and you're all set. Thanks you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos.